Take some of this driftwood that I have here. I'm gonna hollow it out, so I'm gonna make some air plant holders. So let me get this area cleaned up and we'll go from there. I'll be using this Dremel Multi-Pro variable speed up to 30,000 RPMs with a Dremel FlexShaft. For starters, I'll be using this Kutzall Extreme Flame Burr bit. So what we're gonna do is just put in some holes and try and get some air plants to fit in there. We'll cut some holes up here on top. Oh man, driftwood stinks when you carve it. Basically what I'm doing, carving a hole. I'm gonna try and carve down a little bit, and if this isn't working, I might try my drill press with a little bit on an angle. Nothing major here, just a little flat spot. Now I'm gonna carve a little hole in there so it can hang on a wall or it could lay flat on the table. This one needed to take a lot more material off, so I'm gonna use my Milwaukee planer and just take a little bit off. All right. That one's gonna look great. We'll put maybe 2 air plants on this one. Put a wall hanger on the back. And you could either hang it up or lay it on its side. So, all right, let's do another one. Sometimes you just gotta look at your piece, see which way it's gonna be better. I think if they do decide to hang it up, gonna put a plant there and a plant in here. What do you think? Let's go for it. So what I got is, right where this hole is on here, for my piece of wood to sit against this. And once I get it started, this will drill down in and give me some more room for the air plant. All right, so that's what it looks like. This will just hold one coat. Let's go for the next one. Like each one I might have to set up differently, so that kind of sucks. All right, so I got my piece clamped in my jaw horse here so it won't move. Got my Forstner bit in my Milwaukee cordless drill, and we're gonna give it a shot. It's gonna work. I definitely need some new bits. I let these sit outside and they got kind of rusty. I'll try and finish this one, and yeah, that's definitely much faster. And then I'll just clean it up like with a Dremel while it looks carved out. But yeah, this is gonna work. So, all right, back to work. This one's gonna sit flat, so I'm gonna put maybe an air plant down somewhere right in here. Whoa, be careful. This wood's soft, you don't want to crack it. I think I just cracked it a little bit, but yeah. Still good for air plant. Maybe hit it up with the flap sander, clean it up. I'd like to put something else maybe down here. Maybe put an air plant right here and some succulents right here. All right, so that's what that one looks like. So I'm gonna buy that. All right, here's some of my air plants. We're gonna pick a few and put them in our holders and see what they look like. Got a wall hanger. 3 air plants. 2 with 1 air plant each. This one has a double. And then we have the ones back there. Let's take them into the shop.